Hey everyone! Welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. I'm so excited to talk to you today about boosting energy without caffeine. I've been there feeling drained and reaching for that coffee cup, but I found some amazing alternatives that really work. We're going to dive into natural ways to boost your energy that'll keep you going all day long. Trust me, these tips are game changers. Let's get started. Chapter 1: Sleep and Hydration Fundamentals. Optimize your sleep routine. Okay, so let's talk about sleep. You guys, sleep is so important for our energy levels. It's not just about getting enough hours, it's about the quality of sleep too. Our bodies have this natural rhythm, and when we mess with it, we end up feeling tired all day. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Yes, even on weekends. I know it's hard, but it really helps. About an hour before bed, start dimming the lights and put away those phones and tablets. The blue light from screens can really mess with your sleep hormones. Try having a small snack with magnesium-rich foods like almonds or bananas before bed. It can help you relax and improve your sleep quality. Chapter 2: Stay hydrated. It's not just water. Chapter 2: Stay hydrated. It's not just water. Now let's move on to hydration. Guys, even mild dehydration can make you feel so tired and foggy. It's crazy how much of an impact it has. But here's the thing. Staying hydrated isn't just about chugging water all day. Start your day with a glass of water with a squeeze of lemon and a tiny pinch of salt. This helps replenish your electrolytes. And don't forget about hydrating foods. Cucumbers, watermelon, oranges. These are all great for hydration. Remember, coffee doesn't count as hydration. Aim for at least 8-10 glasses of water a day, and more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Chapter 3: Movement and Nutrition. Move your body. Even a little helps. Okay, so let's talk about movement. I know, when you're tired, the last thing you want to do is exercise, but trust me, it really helps boost your energy. You don't need to do an intense workout. Even a little bit of movement can make a big difference. Try taking a quick 10-minute walk during your lunch break. Or how about some morning stretches? Even dancing to your favorite song in your room can get your blood flowing and boost those feel-good endorphins. The key is to move regularly throughout the day. Stand up, stretch, walk around, your body will thank you. Chapter 4: Eat for stable energy, not spikes. Now, let's talk about food. You guys know I'm all about nutrition, and what you eat can have a huge impact on your energy levels. The goal is to keep your blood sugar stable throughout the day, avoiding those energy crashes. Skip the sugary cereals for breakfast. Instead, try something like oatmeal topped with nuts and berries. The fiber and protein will keep you full and energized. Don't go too long without eating. Try smaller, balanced meals every 3-4 hours. Include lots of vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These provide sustained energy, unlike sugary snacks that cause crashes. Chapter 5: Light and Mindfulness. Use natural light to reset your energy clock. Okay, so this next tip might surprise you. We're going to talk about light exposure. Our bodies have this internal clock called the circadian rhythm. It's super sensitive to light. Getting enough natural light, especially in the morning, can really help boost your energy levels. Try to spend 10-20 minutes outside after you wake up. If you can't go outside, even opening your curtains or stepping onto a balcony can help. This natural light exposure helps regulate your melatonin and cortisol levels, which are key for your energy throughout the day. It's not just about morning light. Try to get some natural light throughout the day too. It can really help keep your energy levels up. Chapter 6: Practice energy-boosting mindfulness. Last, but not least, let's talk about mindfulness. Stress and mental overload can be huge energy drains. Taking short mental breaks throughout the day can really help recharge your batteries. Try taking 5 minutes to do some deep breathing exercises or use a meditation app for a quick guided session. Even just 3 minutes of journaling in the morning can help clear your mind and boost your motivation for the day. Remember, mental clutter equals energy drain, so these little mindfulness practices can make a big difference. You don't need caffeine to feel alive and energized. Just a few changes in your daily habits can power you through the day, naturally. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, And don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next video.